Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. As you can see, I have created this interactive leaves effect in UE5 Niagara, and these leaves are interacting with this character. So I'll create it from scratch, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. Let's create a level. I'll take this one and let's save this. Okay, I'll make this ground too big, maybe 100. And then lights little down, not much, but yeah, you can see your leaves properly. Okay, and if I play, nothing is happening here. I don't have character, but in world setting, if I'll use third person template, now I have a character. Okay, we can use that. So let's create a Niagara FX, and I need to use a